Here are the steps for installing self-adhesive base sheet membranes on a support panel. Begin the installation by applying the primer to the support panel using a squeegee or a roller. Note that it is important to allow the primer to dry according to the drying time indicated on the technical sheet. It is also important that the base sheet membrane be installed as quickly as possible once the primer is dry and no later than 2 to 3 hours after its application. Install the base sheet membrane by aligning the side lap in the center of the drain. Remove the silicone film and install the membrane on the support panel. Use a membrane roller over the first strip of the membrane and seal the side lap joint of the duo selvage with an automatic hot air welder. Install the next strips of membrane by overlapping them onto the previous one, following the line provided for this purpose, and overlapping 6 inches or 150 millimeters at the ends. Note that the end laps must be spaced at least 12 inches or 300 millimeters. At the end laps, cut at an angle the corner of the membrane that is on top of the end lap joint, which will then be covered by the next roll of membrane. Apply pressure to the whole surface with a membrane roller to ensure complete and uniform adherence. At the end laps of the membrane, coat the termination of the roll with the primer on 6 inches or 150 millimeters and adhere the membrane to the primer. Apply pressure on the end lap joints with a membrane roller to ensure complete and uniform adherence. Seal the end lap joints using an electric hot air welder and a membrane roller. To complete the installation, seal the side lap of the duo selvage with an automatic hot air welder. This installation is now complete.